For 3 months straight, AI has been the #1 reason companies gave for laying people off. That sounds terrifying, but there's a twist almost nobody is telling you. Welcome to AI Edge Lab. Today, what's really happening with AI and jobs, the part the scary headlines leave out, and exactly how to be the person AI pays, instead of the one it replaces. Let's break it down. First, the real numbers. In 2026, AI became the top cited reason for job cuts, leading 3 months in a row, with the tech industry hit the hardest. So yes, the shift is real, and pretending it isn't would be a lie. But that headline is only half the story. Here's the part that gets buried. In one study, 90% of executives said AI had basically zero impact on employment at their own company. Read that again. AI is being named as the reason far more often than it's actually the cause. For a lot of companies, it's a convenient excuse for cuts they already wanted to make. So don't panic at every headline, but don't ignore the trend either, because AI isn't really replacing whole people. It's replacing tasks. The jobs genuinely at risk are the ones that are only the tasks AI already does well. So the fix isn't to hide from AI. It's to do the opposite. Move 1. Become the AI person in your field. Learn the tools that matter for your specific job and use them out loud where people notice. Move 2. Automate your own boring work. The faster and cheaper you make yourself, the more you're worth, not less. Move 3. Build a small AI-assisted income on the side. A skill, a service, a product. Having options is the best protection there is. Here's the pattern through every big shift in history. The people who adopt the new tool early don't get left behind. They get paid more. AI probably won't take your job, but a person using AI very well just might. So make sure that person is you. Quick win this week. Pick one task you do over and over and learn to do it with AI in half the time. That's the whole game, one task at a time. Don't fear the shift, ride it. If this gave you a plan instead of a panic, follow AI Edge Lab. We turn AI into your money and your time every week. See you in the next one.